In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change profile picture on Gmail. Fix Today here, let's begin. First, go to the Gmail website and make sure you're already logged into your account. Once your inbox loads, look at the top right corner of the screen and click your current profile picture or the initial icon if you don't have a photo set yet. This will open your account panel. Inside that panel, click the camera icon on your profile photo. This will open the option to change your profile picture. If you don't currently have a photo set, select Add Profile Picture. If you already have one and want to update it, choose Change. Next, choose Upload from Computer so you can use a photo stored on your device. After selecting this option, click Upload from Device and browse through your computer files to locate the image you want to use. Select the photo and click Open. The image will begin uploading to your Google account. Once the image appears on the screen, you'll be able to adjust how it looks. Use the crop box to position the image the way you want. You can drag the edges of the box to crop the picture, or use the icons below the photo to rotate it if necessary. Take a moment to adjust it so the important part of the image is centered and clearly visible. When you're satisfied with the preview, click Next at the bottom of the window. On the next screen, click Save as Profile Picture to apply the change to your Google account. After saving, refresh your Gmail browser tab to see the updated image appear in the top right corner. In some cases, it may take a short moment for the new photo to fully update across your account, but it will eventually appear. That's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.